Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. So this video is going to be a review video plus a quick makeup video, like a quick short tutorial. So I'm going to show you how I did this eye makeup, and to be very honest, I just love how this whole look turned out. I'm very impressed and proud of myself for doing this pretty makeup look. So today I'm going to give you the review of this Makeup Revolutions. This is Reloaded Marvelous Mattes palette. Like, just look at them. It's such a colorful palette. I mean, you will get every color. Like, you just name the color and they have the color for you. Like, they have yellow, mustard, orange, red, purple, blue, green, everything. Like, every time I saw this beautiful colorful palette, I really want to get this one, but it was out of stock from every website, and finally I got this. And I'm trying and testing out these colors and these palettes, so I have few points for you guys. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Before heading towards the main review, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to press that notification bell icon, because I'm going to post video every week, so I don't want you guys to miss any video of mine. So please do all the mandatory things. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get into this. So there are few points I have to tell about you this palette. So I'm gonna leave a swatch video here. Like, you will get the swatch of every pigment. So let me tell you one thing, guys. There are two pigment which I am very disappointed. Like, these two yellows, I mean, they don't have any pigment. I don't know why. I think this is the issue with this palette, only this particular product which I received, because I have seen so many tutorials and so many reviews, and they said that the pigment is just like this. And when they were using this particular yellow colors, when they were using it on their eyelids, I can see that it was visible, it was popped up. But when I was using, it was not that visible. But still, somehow I managed to pick some pigment, and yeah, that's the best I can get. Other than that, this palette is very, very, very good. Like, you have all the shades already, I have mentioned it, but there are few, like, what to say, cons about this product. If you're using this palette, just go for the eye makeup first. I mean, do your eye makeup first, don't do the base. Then clear off all the fallouts and kickbacks, and then do the base, because this palette is going to really give you a lot of kickbacks and fallouts, which I'm all okay, because you're getting there's so many color: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. You're getting 15 color for such a good price. Okay, when I got this one, it was something around 715, or like, it was something priced at 715 or 725. Originally it is priced at rupees 950, but you will get this one at a good price. And I saw this palette yesterday only on Myntra. It was something around 550 or 560. I will leave the link in the description box below. So if you want to get your hands on this beautiful palette, just go in the description box below and click on the link, and you will get that offer. I mean, you will get that palette if the offer is still. Overall, I would say this palette is a must have, but there are few points you need to keep in your mind. They will give you lot of fallouts, they will give you lot of kickbacks, and they will blend easily. And I think they have a lot of colors options, so you can create so many looks by just having this single palette. Like, you can use this pink one as a blush also. You can just put one eyeshadow and you're good to go. There's so many looks you can create. So I think you should get your hands on this. But only one thing, I cannot assure you of the pigment of these two eyeshadow. I'm still in doubt, like, if I'm the only one who has received this defective product, or the palette itself is like this only. Like, these two pigmented are these two color are not that pigmented. So that's that, I guess. So yeah, I would love to give you one advice. Whenever you will find this palette at a good discount, just go and get your hands on this. कभी ना कभी तो discount आ ही जाएगा. अगर अभी भी नहीं है, so don't worry about it. I'm gonna leave a link in my description box below. So make sure to check it out. I think it is still on offer on Myntra. So yeah, just go and check it out. And now I'm gonna show you how I recreated this beautiful eye makeup. So yeah, keep on watching. My base makeup is done, so I'm gonna put concealer and start with the eye makeup. For that, I'm using this Maybelline's concealer. This is in the shade 40 Caramel. So I'm just gonna put it and create the base. So here I'm having this palette with me, and I'm gonna pick this pink shade from this tapered shape brush, so that I'm just gonna pat the pigment. I'm just gonna pat it only on the crease. Don't worry if it gets like here, it's alright. First we are going to pat the pigment, and then you can slightly blend it out. See, I have just patted the pink pigment all over my crease, like only on my crease, and now I'm gonna just blend it slightly with the blending brush. This blending brush, I'm gonna pick this purple and blend it here over the pink color, so that it will give you nice gradient look. And please make sure to blend it nicely, otherwise it won't look good. Pigment today. So yeah, now I'm gonna pick these two yellow shades. They are not that much pigmented, as I've already mentioned this, but still I will try to take it with the help of finger. I think this is fault of my palette only, because I have seen people using this shade and they are like just pigmented. So I'm gonna pick this up with my finger and just gonna place it on my lids. Just blend this out, everything nicely. Look, I know it is looking a little bit weird, but don't worry, let me finish this eye first, and then we will complete the both eyes, and then I promise it will look good. Guys, I know it is looking weird. I'm gonna first put concealer under my eyes and set that, and put that lower color, like the lower lash line I mean to say, and then we will see how it turns out. I'm going to line my lower lash with this purple and pink again. So first I'm going to put this purple with this flat brush under my, like on my lower lash line. Mix it with this pink. And don't forget to smudge them like this. And yeah, you know, it just makes a whole lot of a difference. I've also used this white kajal. This is from Wet n Wild. I will leave everything in the description box. I've also used this. I have very watery eyelids, but if you don't have watery eyelids, then you're blessed to use this kajal, and I think it goes with this look. So. For today's video, guys, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I know I keep saying this again, but please do it. And also don't forget to press notification bell icon, so every time I will post a video, you guys will get a notification. So please do all the mandatory things, and stay happy, stay positive, spend most of your time with the loved ones. And yeah, thank you so much for watching me.